Welcome back to DartsCymru guys, and to my review of these Jonny Clayton Hiraeth darts. Seems very timely to be doing this review given the Ferret's sublime performance last night in the World Darts Masters, averaging 112.77 and breaking the record for the highest 3-dart average at the competition. So we'll have a quick look at these. They're the 23 gram version, steel tip, 90% tungsten. Let's have a look to see what's in the box. So inside the box guys, obviously you get the 3 amazing looking barrels. You also get a set of Nitrotech polycarbonate short shafts in red, and you also get the hardcore Jonny Clayton Pro Design flights. So let's get them set up and have a feel of the dart itself. So here's the dart guys, fully set up with the shaft and the stem. The weight distribution of this barrel is very central. The barrel profile, Red Dragon have labelled it as specialist. The front, you can see you've got that tapered nose, and then you have the point, which is the black high tensile point. In terms of the dart grip characteristics, you've got these dual grooves, these at the front and then these in the middle of the barrel and towards the back end. Really sort of aggressive grip. You know, your finger really sort of grips to that bit there. And then in terms of the grip level, Red Dragon are saying it's a level 3. So 1 being smooth, 5 being aggressive. But to be completely honest with you, feeling that dart for the first time, that feels more than a 3. It feels like a 4 going on a 5. So let's have a go at them on the board just to see what they feel like. So here I am having a throw with the Hiraeths guys. Started with a steady 70. Didn't really get my fingers and the thumb in the right position on the grip. But then the second 3 felt solid. Dart sat up nicely in the board, which made it possible for like an understacker. And then the third throw felt really comfortable on the hockey. Got a nice treble 20 first dart, bit high on the second, and then finished with a precision treble 20. So a lovely 140 to finish. So in summary, the Hiraeth 23 gram darts. They're also available in 22 grams. They retail for $59.90 on the Red Dragon website, but a really nice dart. Feels really nice in the hand. A deep connection to Wales, obviously, you know, the name being a Welsh only name, Hiraeth, belonging for a person or a place. Jonny Clayton, obviously the Welsh #1, you know, he's really channeled his Celtic roots into this dart with that sort of raw stone like finish on the dart, akin to the Welsh mountains around us. You know, if you're in two minds, guys, give these a go, and I think, you know, they're going to be popular, especially after that unbelievable performance by the Ferret last night. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again soon.